Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see the unboxing of Apple Pencil Pro, and then we will see the new features and how it works with the latest iPad Pro M4 11-inch 2024 model, then the pricing and compatibility things that you should know if you're planning to get either the latest iPad Pro or iPad Air or along with this Apple Pencil Pro variant. As you can see, I have got the black color, I think a type of calligraphy style, that written as Pro on the box. There are several other prints that people may get as shown by the Mr. Host Boss video, and mine is the black color one. The packaging is done quite neatly by Apple, and when we peel off the stickers, the paper adhesives inside, we can see the instruction manual placed in a separate paper cardboard type of box, and inside you have the instruction about how to remove the Apple Pencil tip. In previous generations, we had additional tip included in that box, but right now we don't have that additional tip. Only the Apple Pencil Pro wrapped in a plastic wrapper and some instruction papers. And you will have the Apple logo, the emoji with the Pencil Pro printed on the top of the Apple Pencil. And there is no removable parts in the back of the pencil, similar to the one we have last year, which Apple released as the USB-C variant. This one uses the magnetic connecting feature similar to the Apple Pencil second generation in order to charge the Apple Pencil. The moment you connect it with your iPad Pro or iPad Air, the latest 2024 models, only these two models are compatible. If you are using older generation of, or you are getting an older generation of iPad, then don't get this Apple Pencil. I'll talk about it a bit more in the compatibility by the end of this episode. And once connected, you can see the features that this Apple Pencil Pro brings to your iPad, as the latest Pro variant now supports the squeeze feature. This is a new one for the Apple Pencil category. When you are drawing or doing some sketchworks or writing, if you simply squeeze it gently, you can quickly access the tools set. Kind of a shortcut, and you can swipe left to right, on the screen to access more tools that is normally present at the bottom layer of your screen within the Apple Pages, Keynote, or any other app that you use the markup tool with. And this Pencil Pro also brings the Find My feature. So if you have placed it somewhere within your home or office, this makes the finding of pencil a bit easier with precision finding, and it don't have any independent cellular feature or ultra wideband chip. So if the pencil is not nearby, then it is not possible to search and find this pencil using the Find My. You have to near to the pencil within the same room or at certain distance in order to locate the pencil using the Find My app. And as you can see, the barrel roll feature available with the Pencil Pro, this is something exclusive to the Apple Pencil. And recently, Snazzy Labs also tweeted about the fountain pen. When you use the markup tool and use the selection tool, the fountain pen tool, then you will see the shadow representing the fountain pen on the screen, which I also feel a very good detail that Apple engineers have done here. So this Apple Pencil Pro brings you the double tap to change tools, and it supports the barrel roll. And just like the Apple Pencil second generation, barrel roll is a unique feature present here, and the squeeze feature is also available. Haptic feedback is now present in this Apple Pencil Pro variant, and the Find My feature is also available with this Apple Pencil. And when it comes to the pricing factor, I thought like Apple could increase like $49 or $50 roughly, but Apple didn't do that this time. For the Pro variant also, it is similar to the second generation pricing, which is $129 in US. And in terms of compatibility, only the iPad Pro 2024 model and the iPad Air with M2 processor 2024 model are compatible. Of course, upcoming iPad Pro and Air models will be compatible, but for now, if you're using older iPad or planning to buy the older iPad, don't consider getting this Pencil Pro variant, as it will not work. I hope you found this information useful. For more iPhone, iPad, and Mac related videos, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.